Let me show you an easy way to measure your brand's perception using AI. Now, wouldn't it be great if you had a company and you wanted to get an idea of what people are saying about your company, what the perception or overall feel or sentiment of your company is? I'll show you how to do it using my partner's service, SEMrush One. Now, all you need to do is click the link in the description here. Once you click on that link, you'll be able to see you can try it out for 7 days completely free. And I'll show you how it works. So let's go over to SEMrush here. And initially, you'll start just on semrush.com. From here at the left-hand side, we're going to go to AI here, to AI visibility, and we're going to go down to perception, which is a really helpful and useful tool. I'm just going to use a random plant nursery nearby, plantdelights.com. Now you'll be able to immediately see I'm under perception, and this is for Plant Delights. The target is in the United States and English. You can always change that if you wanted to. However, what I'm going to do is scroll down and you can see competitive perception by platform. And I'll be able to see my perception of my company or website compared to some of my competitors. You'll be able to see, is the perception better than them or worse than them? And it says on here, you lead with 90% on ChatGPT, 84% on Gemini, etc. Now, if I scroll down, it says the overall sentiment. So the sentiment is very strong, 81% favorable, 19% neutral/mixed. However, the great thing is there's no negative perceptions or sentiment online. Now you can see favorable sentiment over time. You can see how this is kind of changing. You can see Bluestone Perennials is going down over time, whereas High Country Gardens is going up. But Plant Delights in blue is staying at an extremely high level across the board. That hasn't changed. You'll be able to track that over time and get a good idea of why that might change, either increase or decrease based on what you are doing and offering in your company. As you scroll down, you can see key sentiment drivers. So the brand strengths are exceptional selection of rare and unusual perennials, strong horticultural expertise, etc. And then you can go through all of these and you can also see the areas for improvement. Higher pricing, the inventory can be seasonal or limited. Mixed customer service/packaging experiences, shipping to California requires faster, more expensive methods, etc. So it also gives you an idea of what people are praising about your company, what people like about your company or website. But it also will give you ideas of where you can improve things, where you are not doing as good of a job. And then you can scroll down to the AI strategic opportunities and get an idea of various things or things that you can implement to increase the overall perception or awareness of your brand by offering other products or other services, or just kind of tweaking your existing services so that people like them a bit better.